welcome to Bog Brook Auto. Today we're taking a look at a 150K L33. These are the all aluminum engines. We owe a fella an engine and we said, hey, same mileage, so we'll get this shipped out next week. Just wanted to go over it, do a proof of life. The vehicle basically was a donated vehicle. It has a blowed up transmission. Usually we get them, they're smashed and crashed and we can't get them to run, but this one's actually not in bad shape other than needing a transmission. In fact, there you go. You see seats like that. Oh, let's get in here and take a look at the vitals. There we go. We are not quite all the way, about 50% of the way. Oil pressure is running about 39 pounds. I know at this angle it looks like it's over 40, but it's 39. Mileage is coming in at 152, 536 miles. And it is, of course, an L33. It's nice and peppy. Oh, yeah. So, as I said, proof of life, hell yeah, she lives. So we'll get this cleaned up, bottled up, and shipped out. Thanks.